Hi guys, welcome back.
To our vlog. Yeah.
Today, what you're gonna show them today?
Unbox. You have new toy, Eliza?
Yeah,
What's your new toy?
this.
You're sharing with your ate?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that toy, El?
It's the mini brand.
El, what's
Fill
the
the
toy?
fridge.
Very bad fridge. I just
Okay.
want the feeling
Alright.
Alright, so
And where did you get it?
We got this from TK Maxx, so it's 26 with the pre.
Okay.
This.
Compared to if you buy it from Smith's, I
With
think
a single fridge only.
that
let's-
26 euro could be just a single fridge. And for this one, it's a good deal because it comes with surprise eggs already. Alright,
Is it an
so let's unbox it.
egg.
What's that, Eliza?
Cherry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's see.
Alright.
Cherry, the
I'm so
tea.
excited. Oh no.
Excited.
So you will normally see this in
And
TK
where
Maxx.
can you get the scissors?
So I think if you have TK Maxx
Careful.
nearby, near you, you can check it out, guys.
Yeah, because
Because
it's a good deal.
I think it's a good deal, as what we mentioned, it compared to Smith's. And I think the stocks where we bought this from is already almost there's just like
Four pieces.
four pieces of this there.
Yeah.
So again, this is in TK Maxx Sleepy Valley.
Oh, it's hard.
All right.
Wow.
So again, let's see what's inside this fridge.
What is the fridge?
It's inside the box.
Okay.
Inside the box.
So what can you say about that, Eliza?
Thank you.
All right.
Wait. Careful.
I guess.
So packaging wise, it's really secured because of those
Yes. Wow.
tapes, guys. All right. So this is now the fridge.
Excited.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's remove this.
So
Wow.
what's inside the fridge?
Yeah, can you remove it? It's the
yep.
first time. You have to remove this.
So there's
You
a
have to
lot
remove
of
this.
stops or stickers that you need to remove, guys, in order for you to completely
Where's
open
that?
this
Here, maybe here. Here. Yeah, sorry, it's our first
fridge.
time opening like
Alright.
this
So
toy.
this toy is again comes with mini brands. It's a 60 cash to collect actually, and fill the fridge, RAM please, frigo,
Scary.
right?
No.
And
What is that?
what comes with this? Oh, so this is how it looks like, guys. On the box itself, you will see
Scary. They're so
your fridge, and there are a lot of them actually, not just fridge. There are ovens and some kitchen stops that you will normally see in your kitchen. All right, so
Still not done. Wait,
they're almost there, right? So again, the packaging is really secured, as you can see. Eliza, what can you say about the fridge? Is it good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So,
I'll just remove this.
okay. So it's really
Yeah,
tight,
Wow.
right?
Wow, it's a
So,
piece.
yep.
Oh, this is big.
So here we go. This is the
Excited.
fridge.
Wow.
Wow, look at the fridge. I think there's still a sticker in it.
Yeah, it's a sticker. Ano? It's the door.
Yeah.
Ah, there's still a sticker.
There's still a
here.
sticker, guys.
Sticker.
So
Where's
it's
the
really
opening? Here.
difficult to
Maybe
open.
there's a
And,
easy way, but no.
but we learned it the hard way.
Not this bowl.
So again, it comes with these two balls here. These are surprise balls, I think, guys. Alright. So what's inside?
Don't open
Don't open
it.
it
Yeah.
yet.
Don't open it, okay?
But let me just show you
Yeah.
how big it is.
It's a surprise.
So it's a surprise. You will never know what's inside of it until you open it, guys.
Of course, it's a surprise.
So fill the fridge.
So far.
So these are the things that you can put in your fridge, guys.
Wow, what's inside. I'm
Wow.
excited. It's our first
So-
time. Can you open?
It's really a good deal. Alright, so the fridge opens now, guys. And there is a light. Whoa, look at that. Light.
There's a light, maybe, but
Wow.
I can show it later.
Alright.
And that's our vlog.
Oh,
We will
there's-
show it in the other video. What's
So,
this? Yeah, we just unbox it in the
so
other video.
for now, we will
About
just
the other one?
unbox the fridge and show you how it looks like. And then
Wow,
later on,
look
we
at
will
that.
have a separate vlog
Look at
for
that. Look at the fridge.
those little stops there that we will put in later on. Again, what can you say? What will you say to the subscribers, guys? Or
Bye.
please like,
Thanks for watching.
please like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
All right, thanks, guys. See you later.